Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 III, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Finally, you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add starting hour and ending one. You can choose add location, type wherever you wish to and click on the correct one. Pick color over here. Set up notifications minutes, hours or even weeks before. Take notes and some other things. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was created. You can edit it by tapping on it, then clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner again. If you wish to delete your event though, you have to click on it again, but this time tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select delete from this list and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!